Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Easy English podcast, your home for simple English you can use in real life. I'm James, and today we're doing part 3 of our shopping English series.
And hi, everyone. I'm Sophia. I am very excited for today's episode because I have returned more clothes in my life than I have bought.
Well, that makes you the perfect student for today. So listeners, relax, settle in, and get ready for English that will help you whenever something goes wrong while shopping.
Section 14. Returning an item.
One of the most useful phrases in real shopping situations is, "I would like to return this."
Oh yes, I use this sentence a lot when reality hits me and the clothes don't look the way they looked in my imagination.
That happens to everyone. Let's practice full sentences. Useful return sentences. I would like to return this item. I bought this yesterday, but it doesn't fit. I would like to return this because it is damaged. Do you accept returns?
These are perfect, short, simple, and not scary. Section 15. Asking for an exchange.
Sometimes you don't want to return the item, you just want a different size or color. Use this sentence. I would like to exchange this.
Yes, sometimes the shirt looks great in the store mirror, but at home it looks like a completely different shirt.
Exactly. Here are full, natural examples. Exchange sentences. I would like to exchange this for a larger size. I would like to exchange this for a smaller size. Can I exchange this for a different color? Is the exchange possible with this receipt?
These will save so much embarrassment. No more awkward hand gestures. Section 16. Making a polite complaint.
Sometimes you have a problem with the product and you need to complain politely. Here are polite ways to express problems. There seems to be an issue with this item. This product is not working properly. I think there is a mistake with the price. Could you please check this for me?
Oh, wow. These sound so polite and calm. Instead of saying, "Hey, what is this?" I can sound professional.
Yes, polite communication always works better.
Section 17. Asking for help inside a store.
Sometimes you need assistance inside the store. Here are simple, useful sentences. Could you help me find this item? Where can I find the billing counter? Where is the customer service desk? Is there someone who can assist me?
These are great, especially where is the customer service desk, because I always walk around in circles first.
Section 18. Realistic role play. Listeners, repeat after Sophia. Scenario: returning a damaged product. Shop staff: hello, how can I help you? You: I would like to return this item. Shop staff: may I know the reason? You: this product is not working properly. Shop staff: do you want a refund or an exchange? You: I would like to exchange this for a working piece, please.
This feels so real. I'm ready to go return something right now, just for practice.
Good. That means you're learning naturally.
Section 19. Final recap of Shopping English series.
Let's recap today's key phrases. Returns. I would like to return this item. Do you accept returns? Exchanges. I would like to exchange this for a larger size. Can I exchange this for a different color? Complaints. There seems to be an issue with this item. This product is not working properly. Help in store. Could you help me find this item? Where can I find the billing counter?
And the most important lesson: stay calm, stay polite, and don't panic. Shopping is supposed to be fun.
Thank you so much for joining us in this Shopping English series. With all these phrases, you can now shop confidently in any real-life situation: clothes, electronics, groceries, or returns.
And tell us in the comments, what was the most confusing shopping experience you ever had? We can learn and laugh together.
If you enjoyed this episode, hit the like button, subscribe, and follow us for more simple, practical English lessons.
Take care, everyone. Happy learning, happy shopping, and we'll meet you in our next topic.